doing good. So in my previous video about aloe vera gel, I have shared a lot of DIYs and you guys already know that I love aloe vera gel a lot. So if at all you haven't checked the video yet, go here and check it out. And today I'm going to share another important DIY with aloe vera gel जो मैं अपने पिछले वीडियो में भूल गई थी. So I'll be doing that. With that I'm going to introduce you guys to another aloe vera gel which I really love, and that's Body Cupid's Aloe Vera Gel. So इसकी रिव्यू मैं आपको बाद में दूंगी. Before that I have to do this DIY importantly for you guys because this is the most important thing right now for all of us. Be it kids, men, women, anybody needs sanitizer anywhere we are going. So let's quickly start it. So guys, I have got these bottles from Miniso. These are very travel friendly and I already created sanitizer before, but ये created है तो मैं इसको दिखा नहीं सकती कि इसमें क्या क्या ingredient है. So I'll start from scratch and with this I got these two also. ये बहुत easy होता है use करने के लिए. Like when I have to pour the product in the bottle, it's very easy to use and they have given us small spatula as well. So also I have this 45 ml shot glass which I'll be using for measurement. So let me quickly start it. So I'll be basically taking 2:3 ratio. But you guys can take it according to your wish also because a lot of people cannot take too much of alcohol. तो आपको कितना thickness चाहिए आप उसके हिसाब से कर सकते हो. तो ये जो है मैंने 1/3 स्पिरिट यहाँ पे डाल दिया है. सर्जिकल स्पिरिट है ये and you can get it in any medical store. And now I'll be using 2/3 of this aloe vera gel guys. तो एक हो गई है. Okay, and let me quickly start the second one also. ठीक है, अगर आपको थोड़ा और थिक चाहिए तो आप थोड़ी और एलो वेरा जेल ले सकते हो, बट आई थिंक आई एम गुड टू गो विद दिस. एंड जो एक्स्ट्रा है आप उसको स्पैटुला के हेल्प से निकाल सकते हो एंड देन मिक्स इट वेल. So you guys need to stir it well, and also you can use some essential oil. It could be peppermint, rosemary or any other flavor which you like. So I'll be using just 2 to 3 drops of it. Okay fine, I have used 6 drops of it. This is not mandatory, it's up to you. If you want any kind of fragrance or something, you can use bio oil or these essential oils, but this is not at all mandatory. You can also use lemon extract and gulab jal etc, but these 2 ingredients are must have. So now let's quickly start filling it up guys. Okay, so the process of pouring was a bit messy and I am trying to censor it out guys, but yeah, my sanitizer is ready. Okay, so my sanitizer is ready and guess what, I got a pink color cap. So guys, I'm done with the DIY video. Hope you liked it. Hope you'll try it at home. And now let me tell you about this particular aloe vera gel. Why I picked this. मैंने वीडियो में मैंने पहले सोचा था कि I will do with an original aloe vera, but that is too messy and you all know कि फिलहाल I am not doing any DIYs. So I am trying to find products which are almost close to 100% organic product, and this aloe vera gel is another one which is really good. Here you can see they have mentioned 99% original, and I'm not kidding guys, this is as pure as an aloe vera gel. So I literally don't want to repeat same stuffs about aloe vera gel. You guys can go to my previous video and check out what all goodness you can get from aloe vera gel. So this is it about this product. Hope you like this video. Hope you will try this DIY at home, and do let me know if you try it out. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it. Bye.